So the official design of the Galaxy S26 FE has been revealed, and it follows the same design aesthetic as the Galaxy S26 series. Yes, the accessories makers have apparently already started preparing cases for it. As a result, early renders based on those case models are now giving us a fairly decent look at the device from different angles. At the first glance, the Galaxy S26 FE looks very similar to the regular Galaxy S26. The phone appears to have flat sides, slim display bezels, and Samsung's familiar vertical aligned triple camera setup on the back. But we know that Samsung's FE series was known for flagship level chips at an affordable price. This is what the first Samsung S20 FE did, and we all loved it. However, after that, Samsung just lost the plot by using Exynos chips. But now with the S26 FE, we might see some performance improvements, but with a twist. Yes, Samsung is planning to use the Exynos 2500 chip in the S26 FE. Recently leaked Geekbench score shows the Galaxy S26 FE delivering around 17% better single-core performance and about 16% better multi-core performance compared to the S25 FE, and that is not a tiny jump. But here comes the shocking part. Even though the S26 FE is expected to use a similar X-Clips 950 base chipset found in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the leaked benchmark scores are reportedly even better than the Flip 7 itself. Yes, a cheaper FE phone possibly outperforming a premium foldable, that's the kind of leak that turns heads. And if these numbers are real, Samsung might finally give FE users true flagship level smoothness without forcing them to spend flagship money. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where things get really interesting. Normally, if Samsung puts a strong processor inside the FE series, you would expect the price to go up. But according to reports, Samsung may already have a plan to keep cost under control. Yes, Samsung is reportedly sourcing OLED display panels from Chinese manufacturer CSOT, not only for the S26 FE but even for the future Galaxy S27 series. This is actually a big shift from Samsung. Samsung usually prefer using its own display panels, but because of rising production cost, the company seems to be looking for cheaper alternatives with similar quality. And honestly, that sounds like a smart move. See, if Samsung can finally combine flagship level performance, a clean premium design, and aggressive pricing in one FE device, then the Galaxy S26 FE might become the biggest comeback the FE series has seen in years. So what do you think about this Galaxy S26? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.